Zhuhai. Gondit of Zhuhai. Gonna look around. Gonna see Zhuhai. Yeah, yeah, Zhuhai. Under the Zhuhai sky makes your heart fly. Don't ask me why. It's just Zhuhai. Under the Zhuhai sky makes your heart fly. Don't ask me why. It's just Zhuhai. Zhuhai sky makes your heart fly. Don't ask me why. It's just Zhuhai. Under the Zhuhai sky makes your heart fly. Don't ask me why. It's just Zhuhai.
It is gonna rain any minute now, but we're gonna catch this before it does. This is in Zhuhai. We're not too far from Macau border, and we're just gonna capture some of this before it starts to rain. Check that out, they got this big mural right there with all those boats. So we're gonna see what's all in here and explore a little bit and show you. Zhuhai, charming mural village. This is right next to the Macau border, right next to the train station in Zhuhai. So that's right up on the map. You can see exactly where we are, and we're going to explore all the kind of beautiful artwork that's in this little complex. You'll see it all right now. Come along as if you're there yourself. Yeah, this is pretty cool. So let's just see what's in here first. Actually, you can also see all the fish. They painted these buildings. These are residential apartments. I can see. We're gonna go up there in a little bit, and we can see that more too. Lots of different restaurants. Ice cream with walnuts. Yeah, that's walnuts. That's probably pretty tasty. Yeah, it's gonna start pouring down rain. Before it does, we're gonna go up. It's a lemon tea, I think. Let's go up there and explore. We can also get some good views from up there as well. Plus, we can see some of these murals. So Zhuhai being at the coast, we have some, what is this called? Not pigeons. Lots of fishing references too. Okay, then we're gonna come up. There's fresh juice right here, barbecue. It is really gonna start to pour. Then you can see some references like this. Hello, Zhuhai. The reason being is that the port is really nearby. Hello. And then this whole area has these items here, including a Lawson, Burger King, Chuggy, different stuff like that. And there's the Zhuhai railway station right there. currency exchange right there. So yeah, that's Zhuhai Railway. Now it's starting to rain. So that's, and then in the distance, those buildings way over there is Macau, and that's also a border to Zhuhai as well. And we're gonna go down. We're gonna go back, and our plan is to go down to where those apartments are, just kind of meander down there. Check this out. That's the sit right there. Some of them even have tables. You can put your something there while you hang out. I guess that's good. Yeah, it's gonna really start to rain right now. It is starting to rain. So what I want to do next is walk into the rain slightly. Barbecue. It's a nice place to sit right there. I guess I can avoid the rain. So yeah, it looks like there's like these little things you could meander, and that's all residential apartments. Convenience store right there. There's a little beer thing right there. I was hoping I could walk straight into that, down that way, but I cannot with the rain. But it's kind of cool looking at like the paint, the fish. So I guess what we'll do is we're gonna go down that way a little bit. You can also see the paintings again. Seagulls, that's the name that I was trying to remember, seagulls. So yeah, it's a small little place right next to the Qingmai border. Oh, that's really raining. Looks like we can't even get anywhere that we want to go. Okay, well, I guess we're gonna have to pause. It's really raining, but now it's funny because that little space is all filled up with people now. So I guess it's because it's raining. So we just walked by it a few minutes ago and there was nobody, and now there's tons of people. So we're gonna try to go up there and then we're gonna see if we can go down. So raining. So there's a Zhuhai railway station. And actually now we're actually in the indoor part, so I don't know, we came in, we went down, yeah, and it's like a different, we went down like 2 stories and now we're, yeah, this is still the same thing. Cars can come in here. So okay, let me just kind of see where we are. So now we're on ground floor level. So we'll just step out. Okay, so that's that area that we were just in. Looks like the rain's gonna go down a little bit. And it also looks like I can get on the other side from over here. Let's see what's all down in here. It also goes outside too. There's some paintings here. It's really raining outside. Well, let's go this way. Now we'll be able to capture, we can capture some of those murals. Got some food choices here. Let's just kind of meander down this way. Yeah, check that out now. You can see those murals. We're gonna try to stay out of the rain. Yeah, a lot of different restaurant choices. You can even have hot pots here too. Huh, there's even more. bigger than I thought. Well, let's meander a little bit more then and see what's down here. So yeah, this is right next to the Qingmao train station, Zhuhai train station. Macau side, there's Qingmao, which is a border point. It's one of several. Okay, this goes into another little mall area. So that's the upstairs part. Let's hear this charming Mural Village is what it's called. Then you got more stuff, spunk, which has beef, spaghetti, pizza. Huh. Another cool looking dining space. Wow, okay. Yeah, I'm pretty sure those are like residential. There's Hong Kong taste, air conditioning it says. All kinds of cool stuff. So I guess it's called Charming Mural Village is the name of it. Charming Mural Village. Okay, so let's... I guess we can walk outside now. It's another boat. Pretty cool. Little slice of Zhuhai for you all. Okay, let's go around like this. Now just come out. Oh, the cars can drive up here, I guess. Yeah, I guess they can. So I guess they can go into these parking lots right here. Is that parking? Yeah, so actually I guess you can go in there and then he'll go in there and then they'll park up there somewhere. It's pretty cool. Didn't realize they had that here. Just kind of see, look at all this artwork. So now I can see all the artwork all the way across. Really cool. What they call it, Mural Village? It's like a giant bonsai tree right there. Huh. It's a lot to explore throughout all of Zhuhai. So yeah, all these beautiful murals, and then there's some nice murals right here too. Let's walk towards that mural. Very, very cool. I like that one as well. And then we got a modern one right here. Charming Mural Village is what they called it. And then yeah, it also had the parking. You could park in the building. So it's one of those ones that you can park like that. And let me see. I guess we're gonna end it right there. And this would go back to the station. So okay, pretty cool. Okay, so we're back here on a different day, the next day actually, and now it's no rain, so I can kind of walk up here and I can just see that it had all the fish on the walls, on the paint, on the building. And this was something I was kind of curious about, was this one I can see from up here, and I can also get an idea of all the artwork from a distance. There's the residential ones, and then this one kind of has this whole stream of businesses. So what I'm going to do is just add this on to the end of the other one, and we're going to walk around the corner as well and give you an idea of what's all up in here. Pretty cool. More artwork as well. And then we're going to go around the building because I could see that there was more up here. Like that. I didn't really capture that yesterday because I couldn't really see it because it was raining, so it's kind of but now we have this other picture of it. Here's more artwork on this side too. And it looks like we have a outdoor patio thing too. So let's kind of walk up there. Now we can see more of the artwork. So this is what it looks like on this side. Let's just go and look down. And you can see that as well from this angle. And all the artwork. Pretty cool. It looks like it also goes over there too. So maybe what we're gonna do is we'll walk. A couple small kids there. We'll walk over here too, because it looks like it goes, kind of follows this way. Goes around the corner even. So yeah, pretty nice, like this balcony like that. And we can also look out into the artwork from this angle. So now you can see the ship and a whole building like that as well. And then there's more over here. Yeah, nice little space. Yeah, what's it called? Mural Village. Okay, so we're gonna add this on to the ending part. It'll extend it a few minutes, but I think it's worth it because then you get a better idea. There's all the advertisement, that little thing like that, and then we'll just go around the corner and then we're gonna end it over in this corner. There you go.